If there's one thing that most people know about Australian plants is that they're adapted to fire, and most importantly, they're adapted to come back after fires, to drop their seeds, to sprout new branches from epicormic shoots. So we are putting that to the test. Steve found a broken off flowering stem of a grass tree yesterday, and he's brought it home. We've harvested the seeds, and today we're trying a number of methods to get the seeds to germinate. And we've got no idea how viable these seeds were. Steve just found them on the street, and so we're just trying to see what's what. And with this sort of grass tree seeds, I'm going to try what's known as the direct fire method. Now, you've probably heard of smoke water, just what's traditionally used, but there's another way of doing this, and I'll put the link in the video below. But it is literally, as you might imagine, about setting fire to the mix. So what I've done, I've just put the seeds in, I've roughed them up, I'm putting them in the soil, but I'm now going to take some of the detritus, which Steve gathered. I'm going to put that on top. Don't have to do this, this just happens to be stuff that I have. And the other thing I have is a whole lot of eucalyptus leaves, which I've just grabbed from the street trees out the front. And I'm going to take these and crush them up and just literally form a pile of burnable stuff on the top of my pot. And not surprisingly, my pot is actually of terracotta. I don't want the pot to catch fire, just the things that are sitting on top of it. Now, as you can see, I am taking my fire safety precautions seriously. I've put my terracotta pot inside a metal barbecue fire container, and I'm sitting it on the concrete, nothing else around. And I've got my watering can next to me, which you will need anyway. Let's set this one alight. And we're just going to let this burn down. That's all we need to do. The end is terribly anticlimactic. The fire's burnt out, and all I need to do is water my pot. And that's it, folks. And now we just have to wait and see whether this process encourages those seeds to shoot.